You know, this bucket, he just knocked me completely down and stomped all over. Well, what he was trying to do, he was trying to get away from another hunter coming at him on the other side.
Well, who the hell got him, Jock?
Well, I don't know, and I don't care, except, boy, I'll tell you, I had a lot of respect for that old...
Ewing.
You talking to me or all of us?
You, big Jock Ewing. You're in my territory now. Well, that name doesn't mean a damn thing.
Well, now, since I didn't claim it did, we don't have anything to argue about, do we?
Face me, Ewing. No one to help you here. No Ewing organization. Nobody but yourself if you're man enough.
Does it?
Look at me. Well, look at me.
All right. I'm looking right at you. Now, what the hell do you want?
Don't you know?
Know what?
I'm Tom Owens.
Oh, you're Tom Owens.
Don't you even remember me?
I never saw you before in my life.
Why, you...
Hey, Bobby! Bobby.
What are you doing?
$300 on it for everybody.
Hang on, Ed.
Whew! Best fire we ever had. I loved it. What?
You sure you didn't know that guy?
No, I never saw him before in my life.
Did he hurt you, J.R.?